Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of safety and convenience with what we believe is the best convex security mirror on the market, the moveland 16-inch convex security mirror. Whether you're looking to make parking safer, manage traffic in your store, or simply improve visibility in blind spots, this mirror is a game changer. Let's break down why it's the ideal addition for your garage, business, or any space requiring clear, wide-angle vision. The moveland convex security mirror is made of high-quality acrylic, offering durability and clarity that's built to last. Unlike traditional glass mirrors, which can shatter easily, this mirror is virtually unbreakable. Its acrylic surface ensures that you get a crystal-clear reflection, even in outdoor environments. Whether you're using it in your garage to help park in tight spaces or placing it at your business entrance to monitor blind spots, the mirror maintains excellent visibility in various weather conditions. The mirror's design also includes a brim, keeping it clean and free of rainwater or debris. One of the standout features of this mirror is its adjustable swivel assembly. This allows you to position the mirror at the perfect angle for your needs. Imagine being able to check your driveway or parking lot from the comfort of your home or business, without ever needing to step outside. With a wide 16-inch viewing angle, you can easily see around corners, making it ideal for areas with limited visibility. Whether it's the corners of your office, your retail store, or your driveway, the moveland mirror gives you that much-needed extra level of safety. The swivel mechanism lets you adjust the angle, ensuring you get the most accurate view of what's happening in your blind spots. Durability and strength aren't the only benefits. The moveland convex security mirror is also incredibly easy to install. The mirror comes with a metal mounting bracket and includes screws, making it simple to attach to a variety of surfaces. Whether you're mounting it on a wall, door, or corner, the mirror is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, so you can place it wherever it's needed most. Its versatility ensures that you can use it at home, in your office, or in a commercial space, improving safety and visibility wherever it's installed. Now, let's talk about why this mirror is a great investment. Acrylic mirrors, like the moveland, offer the perfect balance between strength and clarity. They're lightweight, making them easier to handle and install, and they don't easily dent like some other materials. Plus, this mirror is affordable compared to larger, more expensive options, making it an excellent choice for those who want to maximize visibility without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the moveland 16-inch convex security mirror is the best option if you're looking to increase safety, improve visibility, and avoid accidents in areas with blind spots. Whether you're using it for your driveway, garage, business, or any other space, it's a reliable, durable, and adjustable solution that provides a wide-angle view to give you peace of mind. If you're in the market for a high-quality convex security mirror, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.